car is the first car off the GT assembly line at Multimatic. Contrary to some of the rumors out there on the internet, this example is a Ford press vehicle, not a customer car. These carbon fiber wheels are really a must-have option in my opinion. One cool aspect of the car that's hard to appreciate in photos also is the carbon fiber use all over the body. You can even see the raw carbon fiber exposed inside the bodywork, inside the side air vent in the buttress of the vehicle. The attention to detail on this car is just really perfect. The stance of the new GT is incredible, and here it isn't even parked in track mode. The suspension can still be lowered another 50 millimeters. So I'm in the middle of editing my video right now, and I was planning on making it kind of a vlog style about my experience at Daytona, but unfortunately right after I filmed that walk around of the Ford GT, my GoPro died and I didn't have anything else to vlog on. Also kind of disappointing, we were hoping that we would be able to get up close and open the door and get inside the Ford GT and have somebody show us around it, you know, in more detail than we've seen before. But it was really busy there. The car was really the star of the show. There had to be 20 people around the Ford GT at all times, even when the race was going on. So the Ford people really couldn't open up the car. We will be going back to Sebring though, so hopefully we'll get another chance to get up close, maybe